Easy, baby. It's time to suit up and boot up down here in the boot, you know what I mean? 318 represent, aka Alaco. You know what I'm talking about? Doing my thing in this bitch. Chip. It's for one for the money, two for my hood. Everybody know I'm out here living good. Not being lost, but I'm trying to take a charge. Whoosh. Feeling like I'm on the boulevards. Stars on the set, veterans in the block. Me, I'm on the strip, trying to keep it locked. No joke down here. Don't roll, it's cut though. Oops. Drop the phone once again. We still up in this bitch and we in it straight to win. We some boss hogs, nigga, put us in that pen. We gon' eat everything that don't pork. I'ma throw niggas if you done with my fork, baby, at my dagger. Cause a nigga straight foolish, finna get this cheddar any day in the weather. Man, this rain and sleet and snow, nigga, I gotta go get it. Cause the sky, it is the limit and I'm so with it. Down to the earth, nigga, it's head busting, robbing, killing, drug dealing and willing, trying to make a million. Me, I'm cool, back, relax, smoke on the sack and do this, that. Yeah, make shit crack, make shit happen, nigga. I'm known for this shit. Cause a nigga in this bitch, I'm in my zone in this bitch. Feeling good, took a shot of the Bacardi, I'm getting loose. Yeah. I'm throwed up in this bitch, I wish I had some Grey Goose. Feeling like I'm off my brain. I'm so insane when I go to the lane. Niggas be said tripping, I'm with niggas that said tripping. I'm out here trying to get me a million. Yeah, you feeling how I'm feeling, nigga? I'm cool, I'm throwed, nigga. Don't wanna make a nigga get rude. Pulling the tools, acting a fool, nigga. That's what I do. I'm a G, big D. I like them nachos. Yeah, with my top low, smoking on that good road. Substitute it with some hoolie, yeah, that is that good strength. Hogging the pay 4 lanes when I'm slipping, I'm dipping. I ain't said tripping, I'm getting this money. You niggas with me,
You through?
Yeah,
nah, this nigga ain't through, nah.
I had to fall and hit the blunt.
This nigga, yeah, you gotta hit the blunt. This nigga ain't through though.
Once again, I done caught my wind.
What I tell you?
Footed with the lungs of the gun smoke. No joke, cut throat in the rope. That's what you heard. That's what you see when you come down here. It's like a dream. Niggas be shooting at these stars, riding in cars. I be sipping up at these bars, riding at bras, trying to see what they live at. Trying to see if I can get in that crib and pull it up in their reels.
Hold it big. Hold it big.
Alright, man. It's Big D in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Just y'all know I'm from the 318 Rose City representing this bitch. I'm just freestyling. I'm loose in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Finna be an OG in a couple more days. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just trying to make some major thing happen in the hood. If y'all hear this and see this, just come and holler at me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Hold up. I'm kind of fucked up. Recording kind of fucked up because we all fucked up in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? This how it is. You know what I mean? But I'm back up on this bitch, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm back on this bitch, like I'm back on the block, loading my back in my Glock, finna just clear out the spot, I'm finna lose my mind, feeling like I'm Tyson in my prime, when I spit in these rhymes, yeah, I'm hitting the top floor, having the crowd roar, we want more, I'm throwing in this game, nigga hiding the score, I might just short, I'm taking me a flight on the American Express, when a nigga be smoking the best, yes, yeah.
That's some East Coast shit. That's some East Coast shit right there, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the East Coast shit right there. Shit, as y'all can see, we down to the last of that beat right there.
That's my boy Al Dog. You know what I mean? AKA my manager. Doing this thing, you heard me? Big Bang. Heavyweight. You know what I'm talking about? This is how we gonna do it. This is how we live it. Holla!